What's the meaning of author? Author. Author.
Author. Author. The word author refers to the person who creates a written work, such as a book, article or play, and is credited as the originator of that work. An author may also be referred to as a writer or a novelist, depending on the type of writing they produce. The act of authoring involves creating, developing, and sharing ideas and expressions through written language. The importance of authors in our society cannot be overstated, as their works provide enlightenment, entertainment, and knowledge to people all over the world.